Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool measurement right here. And basically what this is a car air pump that basically works as a portable air compressor or tire inflator. And you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, AstroAI. And then this is basically what the product looks right here. And we see inside right here, they provide guys some of the specs and features that's on here. And here are some more specs and features on the side as well. And also when you see on this side, there is some more specs and features. But first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what actually looks like inside. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside right here. So let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, this actually looks right here. So when you see the product is all nicely wrapped up, let's take out the wrapper first. Alright, so when you guys take out the wrapper, you guys can see right here, they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it and also how to set it up. But when you guys take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So we do have the brand logo right here, and we do have the display screen right here, and we do have some buttons on here as well that you can use to change like the PSI and etc. On the top part right here, we do have the switch, so you have to turn it on and off. If we turn it in the back part right here, this actually looks like in the back. So you see the way how they design the product is actually pretty cool. It's definitely very space saving and very organized. If you see the bottom right here, they probably got some of the accessories that you can use. So they definitely provide guys a bunch of accessories right here for pumping up balls or other stuff as well, not just for your car. And also, if you see right here, they provide guys a cable inside to actually plug in the cable to actually activate the product. And that is basically everything that's on the product right here. So definitely for the product here is actually pretty cool. Once you guys preset like the setting on here in terms of how much air you guys want to pump inside, it basically has like an auto shut off where it actually turns off by itself once it reaches to that point. But definitely one of the coolest thing about this right here is the fact that how they design it. You guys can definitely organize everything on here, and that way you guys don't have to worry about losing anything or even worry about finding your cable or whatever, because it's all intact right here. And also you can see on the top part right here, we do have the LED light option as well. So that way you can see everything when you guys are actually using it. So I'm actually taking out the cable to show you guys what it actually looks like and how long that cable is first. So we'll start with this one right here first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is basically how long this cable is right here. And this is basically the inflator option. Whereas for the other cable inside right here, if you guys take it out, you guys can definitely see how long the cable is on here. So basically for the power cord right here, it's almost 10 feet long. So definitely will have a good distance on here when you guys actually use it for both the front tire and the back tire as well for your car. But that is basically everything that's on right here. Let me actually go test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the product all plugged in right here. You can see actually plugged in right here to my power station right here. So basically when you guys first plug in the cable right here, you can see it show you guys the PSI on here. If you guys want to change the different mode, you guys want to press on M. So now it's showing bar, now showing KPA, and now showing KG or CM. So you definitely have all those measurements on here. So basically when you guys are ready to use the product, you guys want to change the different settings on here. So definitely change the different settings on here on how high you guys want it. And basically once it gets to that setting on there, it actually will turn off by itself. And then for the top part right here, the way how you guys use the light, you basically want to turn the switch to number 2. So just like that. So that way you can get the LED light option on here. And basically if you guys turn it the other way, that will activate the tire inflator. So just like this. If I can hear, it's actually really loud. So basically for the tire inflator head, you can definitely use this option right here. Or if you guys want to use one of the other accessories that they provide for you guys right here, you can definitely use that as well. So that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me just go test it out to show you guys how to actually use the product and what it actually looks like when you guys actually use it on a car tire. Alright, so we got the product all plugged in and we're going to be using bar. So I'm going to preset the bar to like 2.5. So basically I'm pressing the mode button to change it. Alright, so that is bar. And you basically want to increase it. I want to do 2.5. Once you guys set the setting on here, you basically can plug it into your tire. And then once you guys plug it into your tire, you can definitely press on the button to actually activate the product. But see right here, we do have the cable plugged in. So let's go test it out and see when it actually works. Alright, so I want to take this out first. You basically want to plug this in. So basically when you guys first plug it in, it does show you guys how much air is in here. So right now there's 2.2. So basically you want to use the switch right here to turn on the product. And if you guys push it to 2, that turns on the light. But if I push it to 1, it'll turn it on. So let's test it out. Alright, so let's see how it turns off by itself. So the product definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now it's a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and actually works quite well. So definitely the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long if you can see from the video. All you guys need to do is plug it into your car charger and definitely start using it. after you guys preset all the settings on here in terms of how much area you guys want to inflate. But definitely you can see when I actually use the product, it definitely inflates it pretty fast. And obviously the product is actually really loud when you guys use it, since it is a tire inflator. And basically for the one that we got right here is a yellow color, but they do have this available in red color as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want like an emergency tire inflator to leave in your car. Whether you guys want to pump air into your basketball, your car, or your bike tires or whatever, you can definitely do all of that on here. So if you guys are trying to look for something like this, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.